How to fix can't turn on torch because the light is being used by another app. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix this problem. So as you guys can see here, if I try to turn on my torch, it's saying that it can't turn it on because the light is being used by another app. So what usually happens is if there is something running on your background that has access to your camera, it will show this error. So just go to your home screen. From here, just go to your settings menu and then find apps. Find your camera application and then just tap on it. First thing you do here is go to storage and then clear cache. If you want, you could also try to clear all of its data, but it will permanently delete all of its settings, accounts, and databases. So I don't recommend you do that, but if you really want to reset it, you could do that. Go back and head over to permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And the most important step is to actually force stop the app. So if the app is running in the background, it will completely stop the application, and then your flash should start working again. So if I just scroll down and then tap on torch, as you can see now, I'm able to enable my torch easily. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.